I think that's my house because it's got the red floozy what's-this. And they're all outside. There's some waving going on.
Cool.
All right.
That's Daddy. Yeah, he's waving to us. He'll come back again.
Try to make one run right down the street, but I've got to be able to find it.
I see a red Whoozy What's-this, but I don't think it's the right red Whoozy What's-this.
Yeah, they are. This is the street.
He's saying hello.
What, that one up there?
Yeah, way on.
I don't think you could climb that high.
I'm teasing.
You should see a red maple on one of those houses right below you now.
Oh, I do. Cool.
All right, we did it.
We should do a Chantel as we say goodbye.
Chantel, I don't think so.
Okay, next one.
Next time.